So hello everyone. Today we are creating a video for API testing for a photo sharing platform called Instagram. So in this project we are testing a mock Instagram like application by using REST assured, TestNG and JSON. So firstly we check the what is in assignment. So we have to simulate test REST APIs, and this assignment focuses on user profile, posts, like, comments and followers, and backend data will be simulated using JSON server. So the requirements for the JSON file, first one is user. In this user, we have to create ID, username, full name, etc. And other one is post, like, comments and followers. And this is a second part of the assignment. In this we use rest assured, and we have to validate these 10 validations. First one is status code, email check format email format check, sorry, and user length check, and etc. So firstly, we have to create a JSON file. For creating JSON file, I use VS Code, but you can use a normal notepad. Because I'm using Mac, so I use VS Code for creating JSON file. And so firstly, we create a JSON file. So like a new file, and we name the JSON file db.json. Okay. Now we creating JSON file. We want some attributes. First one is user. Start. You can write like this. So in user, first we have to write ID. Like we write ID, and second is username. And other full name. So that's Daksh Sharma. And other is bio. And email. And then follower joined on. And then follower count. Okay, so we can complete first attribute, and now we are going to the second attribute, post. And start. next. So next is post. So p, like you can see here, id, user id, but I created that JSON file already. So you can see here, I can save the data that I early made, and now I'll copy this data and save in this JSON file. uh, and now you can see there all the data required for these JSON file are there. Like first one is user, you can see I made that earlier, and post, then like, and then comment, then follow, and id, if followers id, and the following id. All the data required for the JSON file for the assignment are there. Then we can save this file, and now we are run this file on terminal. You can if you are using Windows, you can run this file on the command prompt, and in Mac you can run on the terminal. Spotlight, terminal, enter, and your terminal is open. So I save that file in JSON folder in document. So firstly I write cd.documents, then cd JSON, and uh, as you can see, our JSON folder is open. Now we can check our file is there or not. So ls star dot JSON. As you can see, the db.json file is showing here. So for opening that db.json file, we use a command npx JSON server slash server d and JSON. You can see the file is running. So for completing second part of this project, we need Eclipse, and we have to check these codes. So first we open Eclipse, then we create a Maven project. For creating Maven project, you can click here and create Maven project. So create, click on create simple project, next, and here group ID you can write in star test text v, any anything. Okay. In artifact id you can use same group id name, and then click on finish. Now you can see, you can check here the insta test project maven project is made. Then for completing rest assured, we can open pom file, and here we need to run some dependencies. So for running these dependency, we can write dependencies, and so we required rest assured dependency. So we can download the dependency from here, rest assured website. You can search here rest assured, and like that, and now go to the getting start, and the file open, the rest assured website is open, and first you have to copy this dependency and put it here, and put it here. So then we need some other dependencies also, like I have early made this project. So you can see here the all the other dependency hamcrash TestNG. The other dependencies are download from this website called mvn repository, and you can search here directly TestNG, and this TestNG file is open. And you can copy this TestNG dependency for your maven file, sorry, pom file. And now we create a rest assured part. So go to source test dot slash java, and right click new, create new package, name the package insta x, insta x, you can give any name. And now then create a class and name any API, name anything, testing. Okay, and finish. You can see the new file is ready. Now you start writing the code. First you have to import some things, for import you can go here the rest assured website and import this static, where it is, where it is static part. You can just copy this part and put here and write here import port static, same for that. Okay, so you can see I can write these things in that other file. You can see the import, all the imports. Then you can see all the test cases, first test case. First we link that JSON file with this rest assured. So the base URL is localhost 3000. You can see this base URL in your command prompt, like this base URL. And so all the validations that are given in the assignment you can see. I show you the validations first. Mm, These are the validations: status code, email format check, user len check. So you can see in the code all the validations are there: status code and email format, test, and like count accuracy, comment length validations. All the required validations are completed in this part, but the one part is wrong, because you can see here status score is 201, but the question is expecting server, the status code is 400, but we can't use 400 because it is only used the original APIs which are deployed on the internet, but these are the only a fake server, so we can't use 400, and it cannot run and it cannot use self follow, so we use 201 instead of 400. And I can run this from here. You can run, then you see that all the test cases are passed and no test cases fail. So you can see all the tests. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel.